Mnangagwa bribes civil servants with bonuses amid mounting pressure and threat of mass protests. The 16th of October 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, President Emerson Mnangagwa has announced a special presidential bonus for civil servants, a move critics describe as an election-style bribe, aimed at diffusing growing anger ahead of nationwide protests set for October 17. According to Public Service Minister Edgar Moyo, each civil servant will receive an additional $150 split into 2 installments of $75 in November and $75 in December. The government insists this is a token of appreciation for hard work and commitment, but many see it as an act of desperation amid collapsing public trust. Civil servants are not fools. They know this is blood, money meant to silence them before the protests, said a nurse in Harare. $150 cannot fix years of economic decay, corruption, and mismanagement. Teachers, unions, and labor leaders have echoed similar sentiments, arguing that the bonus fails to address the core issue: chronic underpayment in a hyperinflationary economy. Political analyst Dr. Chiwenga said the move signals Mnangagwa's growing anxiety. This is a panic move. Mnangagwa is under pressure from the streets, from his party, and from the Constitution itself. The bonus is not economic policy, it's damage control. The payout comes just days before planned demonstrations by civic movements demanding better living standards, an end to corruption, and adherence to constitutional term limits. As one commentator summed up, Mnangagwa is trying to buy loyalty with $75 installments, but no amount of tokenism can buy back the people's trust. For more updates, like, share, and subscribe to Zim Pulse Daily.